How to enable suggest your account to Facebook friends on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable suggest your account to Facebook friends on TikTok mobile. First then open TikTok and now click profile here and then click these three lines in the top corner and now click settings and privacy and here just click privacy and then click suggest your account to others, and here you will find Facebook friends. If you want to enable it, just turn it on. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.